Hello?
Hello. My name is John, and I'm calling to ask about the apartment for rent. I saw your advertisement online.
Yes. Thanks for calling, John. I'm Matthew. I have a 2-bedroom apartment and I'm looking for a roommate to share the rent.
Great. Where's the apartment located?
The address is 345 South Street, Apartment C. It is across from the library and right next door to the pizza restaurant.
I know exactly where that is. That's a great location.
Yes, I find it very convenient.
And what is the rent?
It's $800 per month, so your half would be $400.
That sounds good to me.
Would you like to come by and check out the apartment?
That would be great. How about 5 p.m. today?
Perfect. I'll see you then. So, John, I've prepared a few questions to see if you'd be a good match as a roommate. Are you ready?
Go for it.
Okay. First of all, are you a smoker?
I am not a smoker. Do you smoke?
I don't, and I'm really glad you don't either. I would prefer to keep the apartment smoke-free.
Me too. I cannot stand the smell of smoke.
Perfect. Next question. Are you a night owl or an early bird?
I tend to get up early because I like to get to the gym early and work out most days. I've always liked staying active and fit.
Great. I'm an early bird as well, and I like to run in the morning whenever I get the chance. How often would you plan on having friends or family visit? Are you very outgoing?
I would probably have friends over a few nights a week, but I wouldn't host a lot of parties. I'm pretty laid back and prefer a night of playing cards with friends rather than a loud and crazy dance party. My little brother will probably come visit a few times a year. But he is really friendly and easy to get along with.
That sounds good. I do host a few parties a year, but otherwise, I too just have a few friends over every once in a while. How old is your brother?
He's 16. He might be coming to college here in a few years. Do you have siblings?
I have a brother too, but he is older than me. He's married and has kids, so he will not be visiting me anytime soon. I think it's cool if your brother wants to come visit us a few times. That shouldn't be a problem. Another question. When it comes to chores and cleaning, what tasks do you prefer to take on? And how clean do you expect the apartment to be?
I generally like things to be pretty tidy. I'll gladly help out to make sure we keep the apartment clean. I'll do the dishes and run the vacuum often. How clean do you like to keep things?
I'm pretty neat as well. I hate coming home to a messy apartment, so I'm constantly cleaning up the kitchen and mopping the floors. I'd also help out with cleaning the bathroom and dusting around the apartment. It sounds like we would both keep things clean, which is good. What are you studying in school?
I'm a chemistry and a biology major. I hope to become a doctor one day.
Wow, that's impressive. I am majoring in business, but I am not exactly sure what I will do after I graduate. Do you have any questions for me?
Yes. In general, what are some things you like to do? How do you spend your weekends and free time?
I like to go to the movies a lot. I also like to cook and try new recipes. On the weekends, I swim, meet friends for lunch, go on hikes, and play video games. How about you? What do you like to do?
I love to read and play video games. I also like to go to concerts and listen to music.
Nice. I love music as well. Is there anything you really don't like?
I guess I don't like cold weather activities. I don't like skiing or playing in the snow. I'd rather vacation at a beach than at a ski resort. So in the winter, I'll probably stay inside a lot and read and watch television.
That's funny. I work as a ski instructor during the winter. So while I'm out skiing, you can have the apartment to yourself.
Sounds great to me.
Oh, I almost forgot to ask. Do you have a car?
I do.
We have 2 parking spaces. One is in a garage, and one is on the street. Do you have a preference for where you would park?
I'm fine with parking on the street. My car isn't very fancy. It doesn't need to be in the garage.
Great. Well, I think we would make a good fit as roommates. What do you think?
Yes, I agree. Let's do this. When can I move in?
You could move in on Monday if that works for you. Rent would be $400 each month.
Sounds great. I'm looking forward to it.
Me too. I'll have the landlord add your name to the lease, and you can sign it next week.
Awesome. Thank you.
We're going to have a great time here.